Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a little 4K video comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to my right and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to my left to see which one performs better. And of course, y'all are going to be the judges down in the comment sections below and letting me know which one of these devices you think performed better when it comes to overall 4K video recording. We'll be doing 4K 30 frames per second with the front-facing cameras and the rear-facing cameras on both of these devices in the daytime and the nighttime. Let's go ahead and get this test started. All right, so starting off with the front-facing cameras on both of these devices at 4K 30 frames per second, got the Galaxy S22 Ultra here to my left and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra here to my right. Just doing a nice steady walk here. Bit of a cloudy day today. You could see a little bit of the sky right back there. So what do you think about the blues? Let me know what you think down in the comment section. As far as overall stabilization goes as well. And also let me know what you think about the mic quality. Let's go ahead and do a nice little jog here. Check out stabilization on both of these. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. Man, it is a beautiful day today. But let's go ahead and switch it up to, let's try portrait video mode on both of these with the front-facing cameras. All right, so now checking out that portrait video mode with the front-facing cameras on both of these devices. Now, one thing that I do notice is that on the S22 Ultra, it does not give me that option to record in 4K if I want to do so, but the S23 Ultra does give me that option to record at 4K. So I'm not really sure if the S22 Ultra is recording in 4K or not, or if it's recording at 1080p, but regardless, portrait video mode with the front-facing camera, what do y'all think between the quality in both of these? Just panning around here a little bit. Now, just looking at the screens here, they both do seem like they are doing a pretty good job. Although on the S22 Ultra, my hoodie here does look a little bit, I guess, more on the green side than what I'm seeing with the S23 Ultra. Did I say that right? Yeah, S22 Ultra here to my left, S23 Ultra here to my right. But yeah, the colors do pop just a little bit more with the S22 Ultra. I would say with the S23 Ultra, it looks a little bit more real to life, a little bit more natural. But really, when you look at both of those, it's just going to come down to personal preference on which one you like better. But let me know down in the comments. Let's go and switch it up to the rear-facing cameras. So now taking it over to the rear-facing camera on both of these devices, S22 Ultra still to my left, Galaxy S23 Ultra still to my right. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Just doing a nice pan around here. Just go ahead and go into a walk. Check out stabilization. Now, I'm not on the flattest ground. As you can see, I am walking on a rocky surface. So it can give us a little idea of what stabilization is going to be like. Now, of course, we do have the option to record with the ultra wide angle lens on both of these devices. So you can see here. And then we can also use the 3x telephoto lens. And then we can also zoom in with that 10x telephoto lens as well. And then we can zoom in 20 times on both of these as well. What do you think? Let's take it back to the main lens here. And let's go into a little jog and check out stabilization on both of these. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Again, this is 4K 30 frames per second on the rear-facing cameras of the S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's go ahead and take it over to some night footage. All right, so we have made our way into the night, as you can see here. Starting with the front-facing camera, again at 4K 30 frames per second, Galaxy S23 Ultra still to my right, the S22 Ultra still to my left. Now, just looking here on screen, the S22 Ultra does look a little bit brighter than the S23 Ultra, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. Let me go and just do a nice steady walk here. Beautiful night tonight, and it's actually pretty dead here. There's like nobody here. That car right there is just a show car, just there for looks, but look, there's no cars out here, but still absolutely beautiful night. It's kind of nice being alone right here. It's nice and quiet, beautiful area. But what do y'all think about stabilization at night? Now, it's like I say in every video test video, Stabilization at night is not always the best. Video can always seem a bit jittery, but just doing a nice steady walk, as you can see here. We'll go and do a nice jog. There we go. What do you think? Again, this is 4K 30 frames per second with the front-facing cameras here at the gardens. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments. Let's go and check out the rear-facing cameras. All right, so taking it over to the rear-facing camera, again, 4K 30 frames per second. Starting off with the main lenses. Now again, just looking here on screen, the S22 Ultra does seem a bit brighter than the S23 Ultra. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a nice steady walk here. Now it might seem a little bit shaky. I'm trying to be as steady as possible because this little rig I'm holding isn't the lightest. Let's go ahead and do a nice little jog. There we are. Now, of course, we do have the ultra wide angle lenses on both of these. And then we have the 3x telephoto lens on both. And then we also have the 10x telephoto lens, of course. And then of course we can always zoom in 20 times as well. This is 20 times on both devices. Let's take it back to the main lens. I'm gonna walk out to the street since we ain't got nobody here. Which one do y'all think looks better? Let me know down in the comments. Again, S22 Ultra to my left, S23 Ultra to my right. Let me know what y'all think. So there we have it, a little 4K video comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Which one do you think did better when it came to just overall 4K video recording, whether it was with the front-facing camera or the rear-facing cameras in the daytime or the nighttime? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other feature videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.